kind of hard to see in the day, but like I think that'll look really good. We separated all the cords. There's so many cords.
Yeah.
But our plug, if you have a GTI, your plug's in the back, in your trunk. Plug this into the lighter plug in the back. And then run all the wires to here.
Yeah.
Hopefully it works. If not, you're not going to see this video. So. Progress update. Put some bullshit cream on the door to make it sticky.
What?
So, like,
cream?
we ran it all back here. Don't look at the back seat, but like, there's a lighter plug in the back. So 5 connections. And then we have one to the door here coming back. Up here. One in my driver's door. Behind everything coming back. Guys, we had to re-switch. God damn. Sherry on my car. Sherry on it. We were gonna do the middle piece console, but it didn't end up working. So we had to settle for like the back. It'll be the same on the front. Show the front. We finished the front. There's just bare cords everywhere though. Not bad though. There's no music playing, hold on.
Okay, tell the vlog what happened.
Hold on, let me turn on the lights so I can show you guys.
Parking mode on.
Check it out, check it out. Placement, not bad. Look at the back. Hold on, let me move my seat up. Placement, not bad. Not bad. The app is really cool. Like, the app is seriously cool. Schedule.
That's just simple.
There's like scenes, but like look, like that's really cool. Yeah, next part of the video will probably be out somewhere recording videos. Okay guys, so I guess technically it's like the next day. We finished, looks amazing. But you know, we're at the location. If you're from London, if you know, you know. This is the go-to location. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. In my honest opinion, it looks really good. And it's gonna be a little different. It's gonna look a little funny because of the, but it looks really good. I'm gonna see if I can get like, let's roll down the windows. It looks really good. And you can change it to any color. So like, I'll show you guys. Look. Make it brighter. Like any color. And then look, you can have like scenes. Like, bro, look at this. You can have like, hello. I'm not gonna lie though, this stuff kind of while you're driving, it's super distracting, I'm not even gonna lie. My favorite one is the, oh wait, I said, you have your favorites. So favorites over here in the corner. Planet Journey, this one looks cool. Bro, it's like a shooting star, look at that. Hold on, wait till it goes. Oh, bro, that looks so good. The install maybe took like an hour. Not really that bad. Not bad at all. I will say, really look into whether your dashboard or like your trim around your doors, you can really peel it off. I feel like that's the thing I struggled with the most. It was hard to pry my panels and like the trims off to fit the pieces in there. But like, bro, look how good it looks. Wait till it goes. Oh, bro, that looks so good. But yeah, honestly, really cool. And I love that you can change the brightness. Because I turn the shit down. Because all the way up, it's like so bright. Oof, bro, that looks so good. But yeah, this is the end of this YouTube video. Like and comment, subscribe for more videos like this. To be honest, we got like 3 or 4 more install videos coming. So comment what your guess is. It's gonna go down in those videos. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. See you in the next one.